This is Mark the Meerkat at freeonlinetradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm an analyst, host of the Grok Star Trading Room, and perhaps your future mentor. Let's look at a trade that we had this morning on Nugget, NUGT. This is a 3x leveraged ETF on gold miners. And here was it opening here on the far left-hand side. This line here is where it opened. Moving around, we had some trades, but it was in this really tight symmetrical triangle, and it broke down from there. Missed it there, but now it was doing what we call a bear flag. If you want to know more about a bear flag, you can go to our site, freeonlinetradingeducation.com, right here to Chart School. And it's free. And right here under Chart Patterns, we will look at bear flag. Very first one here on the bear list. And we take a look at this picture, and look at this. It ran down here, and now it's coming back up in a channel area. Here's a written description of it, because if it breaks this lower support line, the odds are in our favor. It's going to be falling. So hey, look at here's, you can read about it. You can even print off if you want to study it a little bit more. And here's some examples. These top charts here are from daily charts, where each candle is 1 day. These two lower ones are previous day trades that I had on 1 minute candles charts. But again, you can study those later. So let's go back to a Nugget, and here we are. So we're going to set a trade right down here. If this sucker breaks down, we want to get short. So let's see what happened next, and bam, look at that, kabam, it really fell. And I got triggered in at $18.77. I'm short NUGT. Now we're going to set a stop right up here, just about at break even, since it fell so darn much right there. Let's see what happened after that. Look at that falling down here. This is what we call the S2 pivot line. Up here is the S1, and then there's a regular pivot. Want to know more about pivots? You can look that up later. And so it's sitting here on top of that pivot line for a while, and then bam, it broke below it, and it was just setting down here. So I went ahead and I took out half here, right here at 18.58 for 1% on the first half. Then I pulled my stop down here to this 20 moving average. Now it's a matter of just managing my stop. My stop is in the money. I've already taken out half for 1%. Let's see how much money we can get out of this trade here now. And look at this, it's falling, and then it's falling, and look at this is the 8 EMA, this little thin red line here, and look, it never closed above it. This whole run down, it didn't close above it. I'm up here by the 20 moving average, but I'm getting ready to move down here by the 8 here if this settles down here for a while. And sure enough, it settled down there, and it popped right up here above the 20 moving average and got me out at $18.31 for 2.4% on the second half. So let's take a look at this trade. Why did I get in? How did I manage it? And how did I get out? It was a bear flag, and when it broke down, we got short. And when it stalled here for quite a while around this pivot line, I went ahead and I took out half, locked in some profits, and then moved my stop in the money. And then I just followed it down, just kept managing my stop. And then when it broke to the upside, did you want to be short anymore once it broke above that 20 moving average? No, and so I got out for a total trade here of 1.7% in 44 minutes. Now in our room we have a model portfolio of $10,000 per trade, so that's about $170 on this trade out of the 12 call trades we had today. Hey, if you'd like to become a better trader and learn the Grok Trade way, you can start your journey with us with 6 free units that can be sent right to your mailbox, and they're 20-15 minutes a piece. If you just go back to our homepage on freeonlinetradingeducation.com, right down here you can sign up for 6 trading videos right there. It's free. Just fill out your information and hit submit, and you'll get an email to confirm it, and they'll come to you about every other day. Again, 15-20 minute segments on what trading is. Get your journey started with us. This is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, just remember that we trade what we see, not what we think. Trade well.